students, I'm Rupendra and I'm your e-pedagogue for the subject maths. So let's move on to our next slide, which is degree clock. Now what is this degree clock? What is this word degree? I'll explain you with some examples. And a beautiful example is given in your slide, in your book on this page. Appu and Kittu are playing carom board. So have you ever seen carom board? Obviously, you must be having at your home, है ना? Carom board तो आपके पास होगा, आप भी खेलते होंगे. अच्छा लगता है? Do you like to play carom? मुझे बहुत पसंद था. मेरे टाइम मैं जब आपके एज का था तब मैं बहुत कैरम खेलता था. तो जब आप कैरम खेलते हो तो वहाँ पे स्ट्राइकर होता है जिससे आप हिट करते हो, राइट? एंड तो यहाँ पे एक एक्टिविटी दी हुई है. द टू किड्स आर प्लेइंग अ कैरम नेम अप्पू एंड किट्टू. नाउ इन दिस पिक्चर अ कैरम बोर्ड इज गिवन एंड आई हैव मेड फॉर यू दिस कैरम बोर्ड. अच्छा बना है ना? मैंने ट्राई किया है बनाना इसे. सो what's the question? In this picture, 3 points are given. You can see these 3 points A, B and C, right? The 3 points are given. Draw a line to show from which point Kittu should hit to get the queen. This is queen. So now they are asking that from which of these points should Kittu hit to cover this queen. So क्या यहाँ पे जो concept है, that is this angle, you are seeing this angle, right? You are seeing this angle. Let me delete it. Okay. So this angle is, suppose, having some degrees, right? Now, I'll try to make Now let's start कि जो ये एंगल है, सिमिलर एंगल यहाँ से जो लाइन जाएगी उसके इक्वल होना चाहिए. अगर इक्वल एंगल होगा तो द बॉय विल हिट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट और दिस पॉइंट और दिस पॉइंट. द स्ट्राइकर विल गेट हिट हियर. यहाँ हिट करके वो क्वीन को कवर करेगा. सो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इज एंगल शुड बी इक्वल. बोथ द एंगल्स मेड हियर बिटवीन दीज टू लाइन्स एंड द लाइन आई विल मेक. मैं जो अब लाइन बना रहा हूं उसके और ये डॉटेड लाइंस के बीच का एंगल एंड दिस लाइन एंड डॉटेड लाइन के बीच का एंगल शुड बी इक्वल, राइट? सो आई विल ट्राई टू मेक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रॉम पॉइंट सी. इज इट लुकिंग इक्वल दिस एंगल? I think no, it is less than that angle. Now next to point B, is it looking equal? No. Point C, A, yes. So we have got the answer. This angle, again, this angle are equal to this angle. Now both the angles are equal. Now from point A, the striker, the Kittu or the boy, Kittu will hit from point A to cover this queen. So the basic concept is both the angles should be equal. If the angles are large or small, तो जो striker hit करेगा that will go in some other direction, right? So this is a basic concept. Now I'll explain you about the degree. What is this word degree? So let's move on to our next slide. Okay, in next slide, an activity is given. They are making a degree clock. So you read this activity and try to make it at your home. But basically I'll explain you what is this degree clock and how can we measure this degree and what is this degree. See, I have already explained you. मैंने आपको बताया what is a right angle, less than a right angle and greater than a right angle. So I'll make a right angle over here. This is a right angle, right? So the right angle have degree equals to 90. And this is the symbol of degree. 90 degree. So how can we read it? We read it 90 degree, right? Similarly, I can write more, 10 degree, 20 degree, 45 degree and so on. अब मैं आपको समझाता हूँ ये डिग्री क्या है, हाउ 90 डिग्री एंड डिफरेंट डिग्रीज क्या होती हैं. सो बेसिकली फॉर आवर रेफरेंस राइट एंगल इज गिवन. हम राइट एंगल को रेफरेंस लेके तो लेस देन 90 डिग्री और लेस देन राइट एंगल क्या होगा, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on up to 89 degrees will be less than 90 degree. They are called acute angles, right? So a question is given and more than 90 degree like 100, 110, 150, 180 and so on, they are more than 90 degree, right? So they are larger angles than a right angle. Question is given, use degree clock. Your degree clock is ready. When you make the degree clock, your degree clock gets ready. Use your degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil box. अपने pencil box का right angle, pencil box is like this. This is a pencil box, right? So in pencil box, what is this angle? This is a right angle. Okay. Next question, can you guess how many degrees in the angle which is half of the right angle? So let's try to solve this. Half of the right angle. So what is the degree of a right angle? $90 degree, right? So first question is half of a right angle. Simple. How will you calculate it? Simply 1/2 of 90 degree. So you can replace this off by multiplication sign. So what will it come? 45 times. 45 2s are 90. So your answer is 45 degree. Right? So this is your answer. Half of 90 degree means 45 degree. Next is 1/3 of the right angle. Can you solve it? 1/3 of the right angle. Similarly, we can solve it, obviously. One third of a right angle. That is 1/3 of 90 degree. How many times? 3. 3 is a 9 and 0. So this is 30 degree. So we have got our answers. Those are 45 degree and 30 degree. And what will be the 2 times of a right angle? 2 times means 2 into 90, that is 180 degree, right? 2 into 90, 92 is 180 degree. So we have all the answers. Now measure the angle from where Kit 2 should hit the striker on the page. Now मैं अब आपको explain करूंगा how can you measure the angles. So we have a device in your geometry box which can be used for measuring angles, different angles, right? So let's move on to our next slide. An activity is given. They are making aeroplane by the paper. आपने ये जरूर बनाया होगा, right? Aeroplane. तो aeroplane बना के क्या दिया है? Find the angles of 45 and 90 degree when you open your airplane. तो आप एक प्लेन बनाना है पेपर से, वहाँ पे जो 45 डिग्री से 90 डिग्रीज के एंगल्स हैं उन्हें मेजर करना है, राइट? सो ट्राई टू डू इट एट योर होम. और नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, एंगल्स विद योगा. देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एंगल्स आर गिवन. जब आप योगा करते हो, है ना, तो ये कौन सा एंगल है? राइट एंगल मीन्स हाउ मच डिग्रीज? 90 डिग्री. This is less than right angle, so we can write less than 90 degree. These both angles are less than 90 degree. Next, this is more than 90 degree. This one is also more this one, and this is less, right? Simple. Now this is very interesting activity or the question. मैं आपको बता रहा था कि how can we measure the angles, right? So we can measure it by the device is called the D or the protractor. So what is given here, you can play the D game with your friends. You draw an angle, your friends will guess the measure of that angle, then you use your D to measure it. The difference between the measured angles and the guess will be your friend's score, and one with the lowest score will be the winner, right? So क्या दिया हुआ है कि draw an angle. So let's try to draw an angle. Suppose I'm drawing an angle, okay? It's an acute angle, or you can say less than 90 degree or less than a right angle. Now let me first of all let's guess. कितना लग रहा है आपको? How much degrees? If we'll make it like this, तो ये 90 डिग्री होता, 90 से कम है तो कितना लग रहा है आपको? मुझे ये लग रहा है around 40 to 45 degrees. That's right, 45 degrees. Guess. 45. Now measure. Now I'll measure it by, this is the protector. This protector you can find in your geometry box. Now let's try to measure it. Okay, so it is, oh, our guess is wrong, not completely wrong, but approximately 32 degrees, right? This is 30, 31, 32, 33 degree, 33 degree, right? तो ये आप अपनी कॉपी पे पेन से बना के और प्रोटेक्टर रख के मेजर करके देखेंगे तो you'll find it very interesting game, right? स्कोर कैसे लिखना है, आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ इस गेम को खेल सकते हैं and he'll enjoy it, right? तो एक और एंगल बनाते हैं, उसको मेजर करते हैं, right? One more angle I'll make here. Let me guess it. Approximately 130 degree. 130 degree. Let's measure it. It is approximately how much? 190, 100, 110, 115, 16, 17. It is 117 degrees. So कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है? इसमें कितना डिफरेंस आया है? 7 and 5 12 डिग्रीज का, और इसमें कितना डिफरेंस आया है? सेम 13 आई थिंक, 107, 17. Is it right? Yes. 17, 3, 13 का डिफरेंस इसमें आया है और इसमें आया है 12. सो गैस जो है दोनों इक्वली रहा, एक में 12 डिग्रीज का डिफरेंस, एक में 13 डिग्रीज का डिफरेंस, राइट? तो ट्राई टू, जितना ज़्यादा आप बनाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा आपका प्रैक्टिस होगी और आप ज़्यादा स्कोर को सही कर पाएंगे, राइट? सो वॉज इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, राइट? So what is our next? Okay, the chapter is finished. So we have learned in this chapter many things, right? क्या क्या हमने पढ़ा? Angles, shapes and angles. So we have started it with shapes. मैंने आपको बहुत सारी shapes दिखाई. These were basically, this chapter was based on the 2D shapes. In next chapters or in next classes, you'll learn about the 3D shapes also. So what were the, let's revise for a while. What were the 2D shapes? Circle, trapezium, square, rectangle, and different polygons like pentagon, heptagon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon, etc. etc. तो बहुत सारी आपने shapes के बारे में सीखा, angles के बारे में सीखा, clock, time, angles between the two hands of the clock, बहुत सारी चीजें अब आपने सीखी हैं. Now it's your time to revise and practice more and more, because maths is the subject which is based on basically practice, right? So it's your time to practice more. Thank you. In next video, we'll learn about our next chapter, right? तब तक के लिए thank you so much and practice more and more.